Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is inspired by Madison Beer's new music video, Baby. This is one of the looks that she wore. She wore several different looks, but I think that this is like the most out there look that she wore. So I decided to recreate that graphic winged eyeliner that she had and the hair for you guys. So if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching, and also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, keep on watching. So I'm starting out with just foundation on because I just did basic foundation. I put it on. That was it. Alright, so first I think I'm going to start out with eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and use my Item Beauty eyebrow pencil. I reviewed this like a couple videos ago, and honestly ever since then this has been my go-to. This is definitely one of the products from Addison Rae's line that I'm going to like repurchase for sure, because I love how it works with my eyebrows. I know that everyone's eyebrows are different and everyone prefers a different type of, what is it called? A brow pencil. So I want you guys to let me know what videos you guys want to see. I have a couple non-makeup videos planned. I have a couple makeup videos planned. I took a one-day little break. I didn't post on Sunday. I have some personal stuff going on and I needed a little break, you know, to do stuff that I love and keep myself happy. I think we all need that from time to time. I think that's good for the brows. They look nice and full like hers do. And now onto eyeshadow. Now it doesn't really seem like she has anything crazy going on, so I'm going to take my all-time favorite palette, which is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy palette. I'm going to go in with Necessary, which is just like this basic transition color. And I'm just going to pop that into the crease. Just really messy, just like getting some product on there. I'm also going to bring it along my lower lash line a little bit, just to add some definition. We're probably going to go back and do more on the lower lash line for sure. With another little brush, I'm going to go ahead and take this first shade, which is Basic. And I'm just going to pack that shade on the lids. It's kind of like a peachy nude. And I think that's all I'm going to do for that. So I think the eyes I'm just going to leave like that. If anything, I might go over with like a little bit of a shimmer shade, but this is perfect for now. And now, basically the main part of this makeup, all of her makeup looks in the video are pretty basic. She has like a soft blue eye in the beginning, which is literally just like blue eyeshadow just blended all over the lid and mascara and lashes, and the face is all pretty much the same in all of the looks. But this one has graphic eyeliner, which I'm super excited to do. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take from kind of like the outer third of my eye, I'm going to create a little bit of a wing. And now I'm going to kind of attach it okay. I just messed up a little, but that's fine. I'm going to go over, kind of smooth out that bottom part. Okay, so just like that. And then she brings it back in. I'm like shaking. So that is a winged eyeliner just on its own. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of bring a little one back in. Just like that. And I'm going to kind of clean that up a little bit. Okay. So that is that. And that is that done. So now I'm going to take from the inner corner. Oh, that tickled. I'm going to take from the inner corner and drag in and create a little line. just like that. I'm gonna kind of just bring it up and attach it to my lashes. So that is the eyeliner done. Alrighty, so the eyes are done, as you can see. The eyeliner's on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Item Beauty mascara. This is another product from Item Beauty that I definitely like a lot. I'm gonna wiggle it into those front lashes because we're just gonna pop on some outer corner lashes because that helps create that like elongated eye that she definitely has, just naturally, and I don't. Okay, so while that mascara dries, we're gonna go ahead and move on to lower lashes, lower lash line. I have just like this little brush right here. It's like kind of pointed. I'm gonna grab a little bit of a darker color, probably. I might go back in with Necessary, which is this color right here, the middle one, and kind of just, yeah, I think that could work. Just kind of get that darker. And now I'm going to go in with Churro. I can't do my R's. This shade right here. Just a little bit. And like dab it in the lash line as well. And I'm going to drag it out and bring it onto that eyeliner. Just like that. And now I'm going to take the mascara and put on my lower lashes as well. So mascara is on. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply these outer lash mascaras. Well, I cut them to be this way. It's the Ardell. This package is gross, sorry. Naked lashes. I'm just going to put that on the outer corners. Alright, so lashes are on. And now I'm going to go ahead. Are they on? Yeah. Okay. This eye, like, I thought it was coming on. So now I'm going to take my Saharan Volume 2 Blush Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to go ahead and grab Lena. And maybe a mixture of B and Lena. Just very lightly. And she does her blush like kind of like right here. To kind of give her that. So I'm going to go ahead and brush some, but not too much. Just along here. So I have some scarring there, so it's kind of like making it look more intense. So I might just go over with like some powder real quick. Now I think I'm going to just move on to lips, and then we do hair, and then we're good. So lips, first thing I'm going to do, because she has huge lips and I have this. This is what I have. I'm going to first go in with that same eyebrow brush. It's the wrong way. And I'm going to line above my natural lip. Just like that. I'm only doing it slightly because I don't really like the whole like overlined thing, and I'm going to do it on the bottom as well. So you can do that with any brown eyeliner or anything like that. I just did it with the brow pencil since it was there. And I'm going to take my finger and dab it in. Okay. And now I'm going to take MAC Strip Down Lip Liner and go over that go over that line. Okay, and now I'm going to take the Kylie Lip Liner and Dulce K. I'm sorry, my nephew is crying. Like he does a lot. And I'm going to just kind of put that all over my lips, kind of. Just like that. Just to add some color. And I'm going to put on gloss, but I'm going to put it on after we're done with the hair. So I'm just going to let this sit, and now we're going to move on to hair. So for the hair, I have my hair split right in the middle. It's not perfect, but it's there. I have a toothbrush, which I will be using to smooth out my hair. I have 2 black hair ties and then these smaller little hair ties because my hair is a little bit heavy. So I kind of normally need to use 2 hair ties. So first I'm going to bring all my hair to the front, and I'm going to section off the little bang pieces. Now, my bangs used to be longer, but there was some breakage that happened. So I'm just gonna section this little bang piece off. Okay, so those are the pieces sectioned off. They're about the same. Let me see, I can try to make it more even. What you wanna do now is part the hair down the middle. In the back, have two sections. We're just gonna start bringing up one of the sections. So I'll turn to the side for you guys. Okay, so then you have a little pigtail. I'm gonna bring it up a little higher, like to right there, and we are gonna section and tie that off with a little elastic, and then at the end we're gonna put the big ones. So that took a long time because my hair is too clean. So sometimes when my hair is too clean, like there's not enough like, you know, grab for me to be able to do certain hairstyles. I look like a mess now. I'm probably just gonna have to like repowder my forehead and stuff like that. Okay, so now I have a straightener. You could honestly, like, I would just leave my natural hair texture, but to be authentic and be like Miss Madison Beer, I'm going to straighten my hair. I already have heat protector in, and now I'm just gonna plug this in and wait for it to get warm. Alright, so the reason that I'm doing this after I do the hairstyles is because I wanted to avoid straightening all of my hair, because I hate straightening my hair. I don't like putting heat on my hair in general, because I hate damaging my hair. So we're just gonna straighten only the parts that we need to in order to create this look, so we don't have to do the entire head of hair. So that was my thoughts. But yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start with these bang pieces. I'm also really bad at straightening hair because I never do it. It's good enough, right? Like, don't ever ask me how to use like any heat tools on my hair because I don't know how to use them myself. That looks fine. Now I'm just gonna go on to these hairs. Again, I can't really explain anything to you guys because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think that did anything. Okay, maybe that's working. Is it working? It looks the exact same to me. Okay, let's see. This piece, let's see. Okay, that one's straightened for sure. Now I'm just gonna take the whole chunk. No. Okay, that's straight. I don't know. That's really straight. Okay, we're gonna just leave it like that and move on to the next piece. Alright, so my hair is straight. We did it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with those lip gloss. I think I'm gonna take the Item Beauty, again, lip quip, and just go ahead and apply it. And that is it. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and again, let me know any videos that you guys really would love to see from me, and leave them down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much.